Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Integration gets easier when you spot the pattern, because this is repeated integration by parts, and we can quickly choose the right setup. Start with integration by parts. Take u equals x squared, so du is 2x dx, and dv equals e to the 2x dx, giving v equals 1/2 e to 2x. Now plug into the formula integral u dv equals uv minus integral v du, so we get 1/2 x squared e to 2x minus the integral x e to 2x dx. Use integration by parts again on integral x e to the 2x dx, then substitute back and simplify to 1/2 x squared e to the 2x. Well done! Option A. Scan now. The trap is sign mistakes from rushing. The rule is trust the given work and check steps carefully.